Seller support is a total letdown, and I'm finding myself saying, hey, I feel like that all the time.
Dear Amazon,
everybody has been frustrated with seller support. Harder and harder to file cases. Please, Mr. Amazon God, help me out. Terrible, terrible experience right now. Do something. Give me a bone here. The amount of response time, this has all gone down. Help me out. Not a chance, Steven.
Awful.
Do you ever feel like you're praying to seller support, wonder why Jeff Bezos isn't showering out the fixes to all of the problems we're experiencing?
Really, really bad.
Seller support is a total letdown, and I'm finding myself,
dear Amazon, shut off. I will Elon Musk your situation faster than you can post a tweet on Twitter. Here's how I would fix seller support. Here is my open letter to Amazon on how to fix seller support. Fire the entire staff, throw it out, get rid of that current methodology. Hire anyone who can correctly answer how to change a brand name, a UPC code, or answer basic seller questions without reading a help file. Shut down support for 1 week to train a new cohort with the simple direction of help sellers, help buyers. I know, that's just too much. Limit seller support ticket responses to 200 characters. That's it. We need to remove any of the copy and paste nonsense, remove the flowery, unhelpful language, and turn staff into problem solution oriented only. Shut off seller support to China and never turn it back on. Stop supporting it. Stop. The amount of cheating is just unbearable. And P.S., I will happily buy your Amazon seller support department for $1 and license it back to you for 50% less than you're currently paying.